Hello students, how are you all doing? Stay home, stay safe. In the previous session, we have discussed about the types of sets. Now, we are going to see the exercise problems. So, question number 5, state which pair of sets are disjoint or overlapping. See, we have discussed before what is a disjoint set. A set which has no common element in it, then we say the set is disjoint. See here, the first sum A is equal to the set which has 4 elements F, I, A and S. The set B has 5 elements A, N, F, H and S. So now we have to check whether the set A and B are disjoint. See, look at the set elements and say whether there is any intersection in these two sets. See here, A is equal to F, I, A and S, B is equal to A, N, F, H and S. So what are the common elements in it? So there is an element A and F, next, yes. So there is a, so here there are common element F, A and S. Therefore, we cannot say the set are disjoint, but the set A and B are overlapping. What is overlapping? If they have common elements in it, then we say the sets are overlapping sets. Look at the second example. C equal to set of X such that X is a prime number and X is greater than 2. So now, see here how we have to write the set C. C is equal to the set of all X such that X is a prime number and X is greater than 2. So what are the prime numbers greater than 2? 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and it goes on. So now the set D is equal to set of X such that X is a even prime number. Which is a even prime number? You all know the only even prime number is D. Now check whether the set C and D has a intersection in it. See here, C has element 3, 5, 7, 11 but D has the only one element 2. Therefore, the intersection is nothing. There is no intersection part. Therefore, C intersection D is equal to a null set. There is no intersection. Therefore, we can say the set C and D are the disjoint set. Next, look at the third sum. E equal to set of X such that X is a factor of 24. So now see here, E equal to, what are the factors of 24? We all know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24 and F is equal to set of X such that X is a multiple of 3 and the rule is X is less than 30. So start writing the multiples of 3 less than 30. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. So now it is in the roster form. Check whether there is any intersection in it. So here there is a common element 3, 6, 12 and 24. Since there are intersection, okay, there is intersection, that is E intersection F is equal to 3, 6, 12 and 24. Therefore, the set E and F are overlapping sets. If there are intersection, then we can say they are overlapping sets. Question number 6. If S is equal to, see the set S is which contains the element square, rectangle, circle, rhombus and triangle. So the set S, it consists of some shapes. So now we have to write the subset of S, okay. We have to write the subset of S and the conditions are given here. The first, the set of shapes which have 4 equal sides. See, look at the set S and say which are the shapes has 4 sides in it? 4 equal sides in it, okay? So the condition is the shapes which have 4 equal sides. So now check and tell me. Square, with a rectangle, all the 4 sides are equal? No, only the opposite sides will be equal. Therefore, we cannot write rectangle, circle, then rhombus. So square, rhombus, so triangle, it doesn't have 4 sides. Therefore, the subset of S which has 4 equal sides are square and rhombus. Okay. So the first, the set of shapes which have 4 equal sides are square and rhombus. Second question, the set of shapes which have radius. See, look at the element and say which shape has radius. So it is circle. So the set of shapes which have radius is circle. Next, the third question, the set of shapes in which the sum of all interior angle is 180. So the sum of interior angle is 180. So in which shape? It is triangle. So in a triangle only all the sum of all the interior angles is 180. Therefore the answer is triangle. Fourth, the set of shapes which have 5 sides. See, look at all these shapes and tell me which shape has 5 sides in it. No, none of these has 5 sides. Therefore, the fourth one, it's a null set. Can you all understand? So these are the subset of the set S. So first one, which has 4 equal sides, it is square and rhombus. Second, which have radius, the shape which have radius, it is circle. Next, the shape in which the sum of all the interior angle is 180, it is triangle. And the set of shape which has 5 sides, none of the shape has 5 sides in this given set, therefore it is null set. Question number 7, if A is equal to the set which has the elements first A and the next A comma B, write all the subsets of A. See, now we are going to write what are the possible subsets of the set A. So, see, look at the set A. The first procedure how to write the subset is, the first set, it should be a null set, okay. When we start writing the subset, we have to first write, the first set is the null set. Next, with a set with only one element A, and then a set with only one element which is A comma B, and next the subset is which has all the elements, that is A comma B. So these are the subsets of A. So the possible subsets of A are, first is null set and a set with one element A and the set with one element A comma B and which has all the elements in it. These are the 4 subsets of A. Question number 8, write down the power set of the following sets. Okay, what is power set? The power set is the set of all possible subsets. Okay, what is a power set? The set of all possible subset of a set is said to be the power set. See here, the first, the set A which has 2 elements A comma B. So now, how to write the subset first? We have to write the subset. So I told you before, the first step is you have to write the null set. Next, the first element, a set with only one element A and then a set with one element B, and if there are any other elements you can include, but here the set has only 2 elements in it, therefore the fourth set will be all the elements. So first is null set and with a single element and with all the elements. So what is the power set of A? The set of all possible subsets of A. So what are the possible subsets? Null set, singleton set A and another singleton set which has element B and the set which has 2 elements A comma B. So P of A is set. See, all the subset, it should be written within the curly braces. Okay. So this is the power set of A. See, look at the second example. B is equal to set which has 3 elements, 1, 2 and 3. So now write what are the possible subsets of B. First it is null set, and then with singleton set. What are the possible singleton sets here? Set with one element A, with one element 2 and with one element 3. And then what are the other possible? We can write 1, 2. See here, set with 2 elements, that is 1, 2 and then 2, 3, 2, 3 and 3, 1. 3, 1 and then with all the elements 1, 2 and 3. So these are the possible subsets of set B. And what is the power set? So set of all possible subsets of B. Therefore, write all these within the set braces. Okay. So first null set, set with one element A, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So this is the power set of the set B. See, look at one more example. D is equal to set which has 4 elements, P, Q, R and S. So now start writing what is the subset of D. The first one, it should be null set and then a set with single element. So how many elements are here? P, Q, R, S. So singleton set with element P and singleton set with set element Q and then with element R with element S. What is the next step? Group 2 elements, that is, see here, P, Q, R, S. These are the elements. So first combine P, Q and then Q, R, P, Q. Otherwise first P, Q, next P, R, P, S. First is P, Q, P, R and then P, S. Next Q, R, Q, S. Next Q, P. The next one will be R, P, R, Q, R, S. Next with 3 elements P, Q, R. Next one Q, R, S. Next one R, S, P and S, P, Q and then with all the 4 elements P, Q, R, S. Okay. So these are the possible subsets of D. And what is power set of D? So you have to write the set of all possible subsets. These are the subsets. So write it within the curly braces, within the set braces, all the possible subset which is the power set of the set D. Next, E is equal to a null set. So what is the power set of the set E? Only one set, that is null set. Find the number of subsets and the number of proper subsets of the following sets. See, first you have to write what are the number of subsets. First we have to going to find out the number of subsets. So first set W which has 3 elements, red, blue and green. So what is n of W? Which is 3. Okay. See here n of W is 3. So how to find out the number of subsets? We have a formula, is it not? If n of W is m, then the number of subset is 2 power m. So here the number of element in the set W is 3. Therefore 2 power 3 which is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore the number of subset of the set W is 8. And then we are going to find out the number of proper subsets. So to find out the number of proper subsets, we have a formula which is 2 power m minus 1. Is it not? Already we found that 2 power m is equal to 8. Now to find out the number of proper subset, do this calculation. 2 power m minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7. So the number of proper subset is 7. Look at the next question. X is equal to set of x square such that x belongs to natural number and x square is less than or equal to 100. See, the set x contains all the element x square. X belongs to a natural number. So natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. Now find out what are the square values. So 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. It goes on until x square value is less than or equal to 100. Therefore, see, 9 square 81 and 10 square is 100 and 11 square will be 121, which is not less than 100. It is greater than 100. Therefore, stop until 100. So what are the element of the set X? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. So count how many numbers. What is the cardinal number of the set X? The number of element of the set X, it is 10 element we have. Now how to find out the number of subset? So if n of x is equal to m, then what is the number of subset? It is 2 power m, is it not? So what is 2 power 10? Which is 1024. How to find out 2 power n? Multiply 2 10 times, okay? So write it 10 times and multiply. So you will get 1024. So the number of subset is 1024. How to find out the number of proper subset? 2 power m minus 1. So 1024 minus 1, which is 1023. Question number 10. If n of a is equal to 4, find n of p of a. See here, n of a equal to 4. How to find out n of p of a? It is nothing but the number of, it is the cardinal number of the power set of a. If n of a we know, we can easily find out what is n of p of a, is it not? If n of a is m, then what is n of p of a? N of p of a is 2 power m. Therefore, here n of a is 4, therefore 2 power m, that is 2 power 4, which is equal to 16. So next, if n of a equal to 0, then n of p of a. See, what is 2 power 0? It is nothing but anything to the power 0 is 1. Therefore, n of p of a is 2 power 0, which is equal to 1. If n of p of a is equal to 200, and see, n of p of a they have given, that is 2 power m value, they have given it as 256. We are to find what is the value of m. We are going to find out what is n of a. So how to find out n of the value for m? Factorize it. See, 256. So find out. So 256, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 2 8s are 16. So then 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. So find out until we get 1. So here how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore 2 power 8 is 256. Therefore our m value is 8. Okay. So if n of p of a is given, so we have to find out what is n of a. So find out, take factorize and find out how many times. So 2 power 8 times we get 256. Therefore m value is 8. So go through all the problems. If any doubt, you can message me in the WhatsApp group. Homework will be given. Try to complete it. Thank you.